I own a junk removal company that operates in over 40 cities nationwide, and I run it all remotely from my computer with no employees. The day-to-day operations of the business run completely without me, and one of the main reasons I was able to take myself out of the business and operate it fully remote is due to all the amazing software and tech available today. All of this modern technology has allowed us to implement automated systems in the business, as well as outsource portions of the work. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through all the companies and tech I use within my business to outsource and automate everything, and ultimately run my junk removal company fully remote. And these systems can be done with a whole bunch of other home service businesses to run them and operate them remotely. So I'll share everything from my online booking softwares, where I outsource customer service, the web builder I use, where I get my insurance, how I share jobs with drivers, email follow-up software, and everything in between. I spent years and lots of trial and error finding these businesses and softwares. The tools I mentioned in this video are all tools that I ultimately landed on and use for my business in the day-to-day. So I've done all the testing and wasting time and money for you, so you don't have to. Every piece of tech I mentioned will be linked down below in the description. Many of these companies have given you guys some discounts or extended trial periods. And if you click the link, a couple companies will give me a small commission as well. So it's a win-win for both of us. That's not why I recommend them. I use all these companies, but let's jump in. Here is all the tech I use to run my home service business completely remote. First is setting up your LLC, EIN, operating agreements if you're gonna have a partnership, any sort of legal documents. Zen Business is awesome for this. They do charge a little bit of money, but they take care of everything. Canva.com is where I make all my logos, my marketing designs. I make the thumbnails for these videos there. It is the most user-friendly design software I have found. I love Canva. Not an affiliate of them. It's just one of my favorite places to go design things. They have pre-made logos that you can go in and just put your wording in and make it your logo. So if you go to Canva, if you want to go for a lawn care logo, you can go lawn care logo and it'll give you a whole bunch of different logos. If you find one you like, you can customize it. Anything that you want to design, Canva is what I highly recommend. It's so easy to use, and they have a lot of really great designs pre-built that you can work from. They have pre-made templates for flyers that you can just plug in your wording. And they have a free version. I think they have a pro version for like $12 a month, but Canva, anything you want to design, Canva is where you should go. For insurance, Next Insurance. This is great, especially when you're starting out. And for home service businesses, you can sign up really easily online. If you need a certificate of insurance or anything like that to do work at any sort of commercial building, you can easily just add the company's name in there and print it off instantly. It's really easy to work with, affordably priced, and is perfect for starting a home service business. It's like the modern way to get insurance that's just super easy and user-friendly. Google Business Listing. So when you're first setting up your business, your Google Business Listing is going to be what ranks and what people find you on. It's 100% free. Set up a Google Business Listing as soon as you're going to start your business and try to get some reviews there. And this is going to be a big portion of your traffic for a home service business in the beginning and throughout the entirety of your business. And it's 100% free, so that's awesome. When it comes to website, I host my website on WP Engine. I love WP Engine. It's a little bit more expensive than some of the other hosting services, but they have amazing customer service. Anytime I've had an issue, there's someone there immediately to talk me through it, fix it for me. So I love WP Engine, and if you want to spend a little bit more, I highly recommend it. There's other things like Bluehost and stuff like that you can use that are much cheaper if you're looking to go a cheap route, host it somewhere else. If you're looking for good customer service, speed, a quality place to host your website, WP Engine is my favorite place for that and what I use. To design my website, so it's on WordPress, I host it on WP Engine, and then for a while I used a drag and drop plugin called Elementor. It's really easy to use, and you can just take blocks and design your whole website with it. Definitely get the Elementor plugin if you're going to go the WordPress route and you're a beginner. Even someone who's just starting out can make a beautiful website with Elementor. Elementor has a whole bunch of pre-made templates that you can choose from and customize. So you don't have to build something from scratch. You can use one of their templates. It's very easy to use, and I'm not anyone who's amazing at kind of tech stuff or building websites. So if I can use it, you guys can use it. When it comes to the booking software that I use a software called ZenBooker. I've talked about it before. They have built this software for home service businesses and for remote home service businesses specifically. It basically runs my whole business. I'll walk you through some of the features. So on the front end, when someone's on your website, they're going to be able to type in their zip code. In each zip code, you can have different areas. So when they type in a certain zip code, it will automatically show your availability and pricing in a specific area, as well as send jobs out to contractors in that specific area. It'll also let you do upfront pricing that people can book online. So you see in this example here, for a cleaning business, you can pick the number of bedrooms you have, the number of bathrooms, any sort of add-ons, and the price over here is adding up as you do that. You can completely customize it with any sort of questions or details you need from the customer. It's going to allow you to pick a date. In this calendar on the back end, you can put in the schedules of each of your contractors. It'll automatically give the customer options based on when your contractors are available. Then you're going to put in your address. You can take a credit card and charge them right there online. And then as soon as they book there, it's going to come into your back end. And when you come into the back end here, it's going to have everything that you need to manage your entire business. Then you can also see all of your jobs right there on the back end, customer information. You can charge them there. You can sign up all your team members on the back end and onboard them really easily. Set up their schedules, and you put them into the system, get their email and phone number, and it'll automatically send them notifications of jobs when jobs come through for them. You can add each territory that you service, and you can do kind of like a radius around that, or you can draw an actual area that you want to service. When someone books within that area, you can send it out to the contractor who services that area. You can completely customize the whole booking process here. And then ZenBooker has client and team notifications. So you can send automated emails that you can edit out to customers. You can send appointment reminders. You can send appointment confirmations, let them know that you're en route. Afterwards, you can send a job follow-up. You can request for them to leave a review, and it'll actually link directly to your Google Business listing. You can send receipts, invoices. You can let them know if appointment's canceled, if it's been rescheduled. And you also have team notifications. So you can let teams know when a job's been rescheduled, when they've been assigned a job. You can offer them a job that they can accept or deny. So it really does a whole bunch of the notifications and everything you kind of need to stay in contact with your contractors and with your customers. ZenBooker just actually came out with a new app as well that you can fully customize. So your drivers can log into the app with your logo on it and everything. So it really does everything. And it is a big portion of how we run our business. Now, there's other ones out there that do similar things. And ZenBooker, when I found it, really wasn't very well known. So it took me a while to find it. I was very glad that I did it. And they've updated with so many features over the years. You can send a message to them directly from your dashboard. They'll help you out with things if you have any questions. And they've actually given my viewers a free month. So if you click the link down below and sign up, you'll get a trial for a free month to test it out for your business, kind of play around with things. Now, when it comes to keyword research, I use a couple different sites. Now, keyword research is one of the main reasons I was able to scale my business. Once I found out how to do keyword research, it really helped the business take off. You can use keyword research to figure out kind of what pages to write and what services to write pages around. So maybe hot tub removal in San Diego is a really low competition keyword that you see a lot of people are searching for. You might want to go and write a page on your website directly for hot tub removal in San Diego. Or maybe you find that, you're doing landscaping, but you find that stump removal is a really low competition keyword. So you decide that you should write some pages on your website specifically for stump removal and start doing some of your SEO for stump removal. So keyword research is a great way to kind of find low competition niche pages or articles that you can write and make some extra money off of. I also use keyword research for the blog on our junk removal website. We added a blog to our website that kind of went over different types of furniture and home products that people could buy. Since we were taking away so many home products, I found a whole bunch of low competition terms that we did reviews and kind of affiliate articles on. So we did like best L-shaped sofa, and you do an article about all the best L-shaped sofas. And then if someone buys through that link, you get a commission. So we went after a lot of low competition terms in our blog. We were able to make an extra $500,000 last year in profit just through our blog. So it's an awesome addition to a website, and just keyword research in general can let you know what areas are easy to rank for and where you can maybe make some extra traffic and money. I use SEMrush and Ahrefs. Both of them are great if you are going to do any sort of keyword research. So when it comes to outsourcing jobs to contractors, you can find them on Craigslist, Angie's List. Also, Thumbtack is one of my favorites. Just type in the service that you want, the area that you want. You can find contractors in that area. So go past all the ones at the top with a lot of reviews because they likely already have enough business. And you're going to go down to the ones with maybe a couple good reviews who maybe just aren't getting the visibility and the traffic that other companies are. And you're going to reach out to these companies like the local trash guys here, 5 stars, 1 review. they'd be a great person to reach out to and just let them know that you're a junk removal company in the area. You've gotten busy, you have some extra jobs, you're looking to outsource on a contract basis and see if they'd be interested. If they are, jump on a call, see if they're a good fit. You can send them on a couple test jobs. Thumbtack is a great option for just finding some local contractors that you can use to outsource jobs to. Now, I've got a whole video specifically on outsourcing contractors and how to do that. If you want to watch that video, it goes a lot more in depth on that process and gives you a step-by-step from how to find them, how to reach out to them, and ultimately how to onboard them. Now, when it comes to outsourcing customer service, initially, I always recommend that you answer the phones yourself or have someone in-house answering the phones at least for the first month or two, just to see kind of how everything works, the systems, what customers are saying, just get to know your business and work in it for a little bit. Once you're ready to outsource customer service, there's actually a company that will take care of your customer service as well as a lot of the day-to-day processes. So they'll send jobs to your drivers, communicate with drivers, and communicate with customers, answer phones. So the one that I recommend that does this is Anova Local. So INOVA local.com. Chris over there, the owner, owns a remote cleaning company. So he got a lot of virtual assistants to help run his remote cleaning company. He actually built a service where he offers those virtual assistants for other remote cleaning and remote home service businesses. So they're very versed in what it takes to run a home service business, what kind of day-to-day tasks they're going to be asked to do, and they can jump in and really start running a lot of the operations of your business. So if you're looking to outsource the day-to-day kind of operations and customer service of your business, Anova Local is going to be a great option for that. So it says their virtual assistants can take on as much or as little as you want. Phone calls, scheduling, billing, emails, managing teams, recruiting, customers, admin, marketing. So they can do every aspect of your business that you want them to. You can have them take on more and more and more as your business grows. So if you want to go the Anova Local route, you can schedule a call on their website there. Just let them know Tim sent you. They'll take good care of you and they'll know exactly what you're looking for. Now, another thing you're going to want to look into is sort of like a call forwarding service or just a phone service in general. Grasshopper is awesome for this. They let you fully customize where you want to send calls. You can do something like if you're a new customer, click 1. If you're an existing customer, click 2. And then maybe only you want to take calls from existing customers, but new customers you want to send out to your call center. Or whatever it is, Grasshopper lets you really easily customize your voicemail and those call settings. Here's an example.
Thank you for calling Infinity Consulting. If you are a current client, please press 1. For new inquiries, please press 2.
Whatever it is, you can completely customize it, and Grasshopper is super easy to use and just sounds very professional when someone calls and you have a professional sort of process that they go through rather than just standard voicemail. And pricing starts at $14 a month for a single user and a single line, $28 for a phone number and 3 extensions and unlimited users. Lastly is going to be an email contact so that you can contact your email list. Zenbooker or whatever software you use will have some of this and some of these processes built in to have contact with your customers. But if you want to contact your email list in bulk with things like offers, or maybe you're a landscaping company and you're doing snow removal in the winter and you want to let them know about that, having some sort of email service where you can send a blast email out to your email list is a great thing to have. You can upsell people with subscriptions or any sort of add-ons that may come up, reminders to get a service done. There's a whole bunch of different email providers out there. MailChimp is a popular one. You don't need anything crazy. You just want something that lets you follow up, stay in contact with your customers whenever you need to. I hope this was helpful. I hope it gave you an idea on the software and tech that you can use to outsource a lot of the aspects of your home service business. Comment down below. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate you watching, and we'll see you in the next one.